विभाग द्वारा जनहित में जारी।
Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Rentley. Here are today's top stories. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says he is proud to serve a nation that is marching forward with undeterred resolve. Home Minister Amit Shah on tour of Tamil Nadu, pitches for a Tamil Prime Minister in the future, highlights the achievements of Modi government in a public rally. Very severe cyclonic storm Biparjoy intensifies into extremely severe cyclonic storm in the Arabian Sea. And a downpour induces flash floods on Shillong streets. Umyam Dam records rise in water level. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said he is proud to serve a nation that is marching forward with undeterred resolve. In a tweet with the hashtag 9 years of India First, Mr. Modi said that from multilateral platforms to Atmanirbhar Bharat to Make in India, every stride is a testament to the strength and spirit of the Indian people. Mr. Modi's remarks come amidst the BJP organizing various programs across the country as part of a mega public outreach to mark 9 years of the Modi government. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated the first ever National Training Conclave at the International Exhibition and Convention Centre at Pragati Maidan in New Delhi. The conclave is aimed at strengthening the training infrastructure for civil servants across the country. It is being hosted by the Capacity Building Commission. More than 1,500 representatives from various training institutes, including Central Training Institutes, State Administrative Training Institutes, regional and zonal training institutes and research institutes are participating in the conclave. Union Home Minister and senior BJP leader Amit Shah blamed the DMK for letting go of the opportunity of making a Tamilian as the Prime Minister. He said the opportunity of a Prime Minister was lost not once but twice. In the meeting held today, Shah said that the BJP will work to make a Tamilian a Prime Minister in the future. He also said that the party is looking forward to contesting in 25 constituencies in the state in 2024. He also highlighted the achievements of the Narendra Modi-led government.
$105 किलोमीटर लंबे ईस्टर्न कोस्टल हाईवे के लिए देने का काम नरेंद्र मोदी सरकार ने किया है। 50,000 करोड़ रुपया चेन्नई बेंगलुरु एक्सप्रेस वे के लिए देने का काम नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने किया है। चेन्नई मेट्रो फेज 1 और फेज 2 के लिए 72,000 करोड़ रुपया देने का काम किया है।
The India Meteorological Department said a very severe cyclonic storm Biparjoy has intensified into an extremely severe cyclonic storm over the east central Arabian Sea. It has moved north to northeastwards with a speed of 8 kilometers per hour during the past 6 hours. It lies centered about 560 kilometers west of Mumbai, 460 kilometers south to southwest of Porbandar, 510 kilometers south to southwest of Devbhoomi Dwarka and 600 kilometers south to southwest of Nalia. Due to incessant rain since Saturday night, several roads in Shillong's Polo area have been submerged and a flood-like situation has arisen. Waterlogging has been induced by the heavy downpour in the city. The havoc caused by rain is likely to continue as the India Meteorological Department has predicted more rains in the coming days. Meanwhile, Umyam recorded a rise in water levels at 3,166.43 feet as of Saturday at 4 p.m, while Friday's record was at 3,164.95 feet at 4 p.m. It may be mentioned that the highest level of the water is 3,220 feet. The Rebhoi zone of the Conference of Religious India held a gathering in front of Nongpok Town Shopping Complex on Saturday after witnessing the persecution of Christians in Manipur as well as other parts of India, including the burning of Christian churches and schools and community conflicts between the Meiteis and the Kukis. During the rally, participants carried placards condemning the persecution of Christians in Manipur and called on the Manipur government and the central government to protect Christians in the state, particularly by taking measures to end the conflicts and restoring peace for the public.
Today we are here to silently express and protest against what is happening in Manipur and in other parts of our beloved country. The society is not bad because of the bad people, but it is bad because of the silence of the good. And that's why I'm proud that you're all gathered here this afternoon.
Shillong Lajong seized a major advantage over Rangda Jade United after winning the first leg of their Meghalaya State League 2023 semi-final 3-0 at the Kyangnangba Stadium in Jawai yesterday. Contrastingly, it was a whole lot closer in Tura, where Maulai edged Klep Maule 1-0 in the second semi-final. Lajong's goals came through Henry Ford Nongneng, Hardy Cliff Nongbri and an own goal by Arquis Wanyang. Rangda Jade had chances of their own, most notably a couple of Kunarkati Langbuam strikes that rattled the woodwork, but they were well below the level of Shillong Lajong. And now for the weather. The maximum temperature was 20.7 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 18 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity remained at 96% in the morning and evening, with rainfall measured at 52.5 millimeters. The forecast tells us light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at a few places. And for our viewers who missed out, here's a recap of today's headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says he is proud to serve a nation that is marching forward with undeterred resolve. Home Minister Amit Shah on a tour of Tamil Nadu pitches for a Tamil Prime Minister in the future and highlights the achievements of the Modi government in a public rally. Very severe cyclonic storm Biparjoy intensifies into an extremely severe cyclonic storm in the Arabian Sea. And a downpour induces flash floods on Shillong streets. Umyam Dam records a rise in water levels. That's all we have in today's news. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a good evening.